mostly sunny. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north-central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northwest of Huntersville, or over Westport, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Huntersville, Cornelius, Mooresville, Davidson, Westport, Lake Norman, Denver, and Ramsey Creek Park. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a